Okay, hello my students, welcome back. How are you doing? Okay, today's lesson is in Macmillan, okay, and it's unit 4, lesson 4, which is a grammar lesson. Okay, let's see what's the lesson today. Okay, see the bubble of movie as we used to do. He's saying, do you remember about animals in the Gobi Desert? Do you remember about animals in the Gobi Desert? Okay, do you remember this lesson, this reading lesson for this unit? The Gobi Desert, animal in the Gobi Desert. Yes. So what's in the box, of course, is talking about the animals of Gobi Desert. Okay, let's read. A camel is as strong as a yak. A camel is as strong as a yak. A gazelle is faster than a snow leopard. A gazelle is faster than a snow leopard. Okay, we have in these books 4 animals, right? Okay, the first one is camel, is specifically Bactrian camel, and this is a yak, and this is a gazelle, and the last one is snow leopard. Snow leopard. Okay, so the first sentence here, a camel is as strong as a yak. A camel is as strong as a yak. This is a comparison between the camel and the yak. Okay, and also a gazelle is faster than a snow leopard. A gazelle is faster than a snow leopard. So this is also a comparison between a gazelle and the snow leopard. Okay, which one is faster than the other one? Okay, so this lesson is talking about the comparison, the comparative adjectives. Comparative, comparative. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Comparative adjectives are used to compare differences between the two objects. They modify larger, smaller, faster, higher. They are used in sentences where two nouns are compared. Again, so comparative adjectives are used to compare the differences, compare between two things or two objects, okay, or two people or persons, of course. So we use the comparative adjectives in comparing, on the comparison between two things. Okay, you will see the adjective, these comparative adjectives like larger, smaller, faster, higher. Okay, for example, the word higher. Okay, where is the main adjective here, or the adjective is high, high. Okay, and we just add er, right? Okay, they are used in sentences where two nouns are compared. Two nouns are compared. So in this comparison, we use comparative adjectives. We use this kind of adjectives. Okay? Okay, first of all, we have to know the two kinds of adjectives that we know, that we have. Okay? The first one is one syllable adjectives. One syllable adjectives. Okay? We add er for the comparative. We add er for the comparative. What does it mean? If the adjective has a consonant plus vowel plus consonant, the final consonant must be doubled before adding the ending, the er. Okay? For example, fat, adjective fat, F consonant, A vowel sound, T consonant. So we have to double the last consonant, T sound. We have to double the letter T here. Okay, it will be fatter, fatter, F-A-T-T-E-R. Why we double the last consonant or the last letter here? Because it's fat, F consonant, A vowel, T consonant. Okay, we have to double the last one. Big, big, B consonant, T vowel, G consonant. So we have to double the last consonant, the last letter, G. It will be bigger, bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger, bigger. Okay? Sad, sad, S consonant, E vowel, D consonant. So we have to double the last consonant. It will be sadder, sadder, sadder. She's sadder than me. Sadder. Okay. S-A-D-D-E-R. Okay. So again, if the adjective has the first letter is consonant, the first sound is consonant, and the next one is vowel, then consonant, we have to double the last consonant. Okay? Like fat, like big, like sad, like red, the color red. Okay? If you have two dresses and one dress more or redder than the next one, both of them are red, but there is one redder than the other one. So I will say my dress is redder than yours. My dress is redder than yours. Okay? Redder, R-E-D-D-E-R. We double the last consonant. Why? Because we have consonant, E vowel, D consonant. Okay? Let's see the next. We have some examples. My house is larger than hers. My house is larger than hers. This is one syllable adjective, okay? So simply we add er at the end. Okay, next one. This box is smaller than the one I lost. This box is smaller than the one I lost. Small, smaller. Small, smaller becomes smaller. We add er. Why? Because it has just one syllable. One syllable means one vowel. Not here. Sorry. One vowel means one syllable. If the word has one vowel, it means it has one syllable. Large, we have just a sound. Smaller, we have just o sound. Okay? Okay, next. Your dog runs faster than Jim's dog. Your dog runs faster than Jim's dog. So the adjective here is faster. Faster. Fast becomes faster. Okay? So it has one syllable, one vowel, so we just added er to the adjective. Okay? Your dog runs faster than Jim's dog. Next example. The rock flew higher than the roof. The rock flew higher than the roof. The adjective here is higher. 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 Okay? It's high. High. We have one vowel, so it's one syllable. We just added er to it because it's one syllable adjective. Okay? The rock flew higher than the roof. Don't forget to add er then the word than, because it's a comparison. Okay? Okay. Next one. This is the next or the second kind of adjectives. Okay, more than one syllable. The adjective that has more than one syllable, more than one vowel. Okay, more than one vowel in the word. Adjectives with more than one syllable form the comparative by putting more in front of the adjective and then than. Okay, again. Adjectives with more than one syllable form the comparative by putting the word more in front of the adjective or before the adjective, and then after the adjective we have to add than. Okay, simply because it's comparison. Okay. Okay, these three adjectives, more than one syllable. Okay, important, beautiful, expensive. These adjectives are more than one syllable. They have more than one syllable. Okay, important, important. These are three syllables. Okay. Okay, so it's more than one syllable, so we have to add, to make a comparison between two objects, we have to add before important, before the adjective, the word more, then the adjective, then than. More important than. More important than. Okay? For example, happiness is more important than money or than having money. So we did a comparison here between happiness and money. Okay, so more important than. Why I added more? Because it's more than one. It's adjective. This adjective is more than one syllable, has more than one syllable. Okay, the next one, beautiful. Beautiful, all of you knows this word, beautiful. It's an adjective and it has more than one syllable. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, these are three syllables, more than one syllable, so we have to add more before it and after it the word than to make a comparison. Okay, more beautiful than, more beautiful than. Okay. Okay, for example, my story is more beautiful than yours. My mobile phone is more beautiful than yours. Okay, this tree is more beautiful than that or that one. These are all comparisons. Okay, expensive, expensive, expensive. Adjective, okay, the opposite of cheap, okay. Expensive, 3 syllables, more than 1 syllable, so we have more 1 syllable, so we have to add more before it and then after it to make it comparative, okay. More expensive than, more expensive than, more expensive than. Sentence: my car is more expensive than yours. My car is more expensive than yours, okay. If I have Ferrari and you have, for example, Daewoo or any kind of cheap cars, so of course my car is more expensive than yours, okay. Pretty good. Okay, let's see more examples about the adjective that have the adjectives that have more than 1 syllable. The first sentence: this morning is more peaceful than yesterday morning. This morning is more peaceful than yesterday morning. Peaceful, peaceful, okay, 2 syllables, peaceful, okay, 2 syllables, so more than 1 syllable, so we have to add, as you see here, more before the adjective, then the adjective, then the word than, okay. Next: Max is more careful than Mike. Max is more careful than Mike. Careful, careful, this is more than 1 syllable adjective, so we add more, then the adjective or the long adjective, then the word than to make a comparison, okay. Next: Jill is more thoughtful than you, sister. Jill is more thoughtful than your sister. So the word thoughtful is an adjective, so more than 1 syllable, it has more than 1 syllable, and we have to add more before it to make a comparison, then long adjective, then the word than, okay. Next: John is more generous than Jack. John is more generous than Jack, okay. Generous is an adjective, long adjective, more, okay, long adjective, and then the word than, okay. Next: Health is more important than money. Health is more important than money. Important, important, okay. More before the word, the adjective, long adjective, then the word than, okay. Next: okay, this is the next part of our session. Camels are as strong as yaks. Again, camels are as strong as yaks, okay. If we want to show that two things are equal, we use as plus the adjective plus as, okay. Again, if we want to show that these two objects are equal in one thing or in one adjective, okay, we use this form, as up there, camels are as strong as yaks, this form, to show that these two things or objects are equal in that adjective, okay. Okay, and we can show that two things are not equal using not before as, okay. Use not before as, it will be These are not equal. These are not equal. Okay? Very good. So, camels are as strong as yaks. I understood that now camels and yaks are equal in strength. They are strong. Okay? Both are strong. They are equal in strength. Okay? Camels are as strong as yaks. Okay. So now I want to make it negative. Okay? What should I do to make this sentence camels are as strong as yaks to make it negative or negate it? I want to show that camels and yaks are not equal. Camels are not as strong as yaks. Camels are not as strong as yaks. So we add the word not after the verb to be and before as. Okay? Camels are as camels are not as strong as yaks. When I say camels are not as strong as yaks, this sentence means that yaks are stronger. Yaks are stronger. Camels are not as strong as yaks. It means yaks are stronger. Okay? Do you got it? For example, Muhammad is tall. Okay? Muhammad is as tall as Mahmoud. Muhammad is as tall as Mahmoud. If I said Muhammad is not as tall as Mahmoud, that means Muhammad or Mahmoud are taller. Mahmoud. I said Muhammad is not as tall as Mahmoud. That means Mahmoud is taller. Okay? Mahmoud is taller than Muhammad. Okay? Very good. Next, let's see some examples. She is as tall as her brother. She is as tall as her brother. Okay? They are both tall. She and her brother. Okay? Her hands were as cold as ice. Her hands were as cold as ice. Okay? We here want to show that her hands and ice are the same, have the same cold. Okay? Or equal. This one isn't as big as the old one. This one isn't negative as big as the old one. My cooking is as good as yours. My cooking is as good as yours. Okay? As, adjective as, if we want to show that these two objects are equal. Okay? My brother is as strong as my cousin. My brother is as strong as my cousin. Okay? They are equal in strength, as I said before. As, adjective as. Okay, next. Salma is as tall as Omar. Salma is as tall as Omar. Okay, don't forget the verb to be after the first object. Salma is as tall as Omar. Okay. Next. These are the exercise. Okay. I think the lesson is easy. Okay. If you have any question before we go to exercise, because I'm going to ask you this exercise, you will answer them by yourselves. Okay? So be sure that you understood every point in the lesson. Okay? Okay, let's start the exercise. Rewrite the following sentences. Rewrite the following sentences. Ali is 7 years old. Mona is 7 years old. The same age. Use as. Again, Ali is 7 years old. Mona is 7 years old. Make them one sentence. Very good, smart. Ali is as old as Mona. Ali is as old as Mona. Okay, very good. Next one, number 2. Ali is 7. Ahmed is 8. Ali is 7. Ahmed is 8. Use as and as. So, who is older? Ali or Ahmed? Ahmed, of course. 7 and 8. Ahmed is 8. So it will be nice, very good. Ali isn't as old as Ahmed. Why? Because Ahmed is older. Ali is isn't as old as Ahmed, because Ahmed is older than Ali. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to ask me. Okay. 3. Leopards are faster than horses. Leopards are faster than horses. Use as and as. Nice, very good. Horses are not as fast as leopards. Horses are not as fast as leopards. Okay? Very good. Adil is 170 centimeter. Dina is 170 centimeter. They have the same length. Okay, so use the word tall, the adjective. What will you do? Nice, very good. Adil is as tall as Dina. Adil is as, the adjective tall, plus as Dina. Okay? Next, number 5. Susan is younger than Salwa. Susan is younger than Salwa. Use older. Okay? It's like the opposite. So, Salwa is older than Susan. Very good. Salwa is older than Susan. Okay? The opposite of younger, older. Younger, older. And both of them are one syllable, adjective, right? So just we add er, not more, right? Okay, very good. Next. An elephant is bigger than a cat. An elephant is bigger than a cat. Okay, use smaller. The same idea of number 5. An elephant is bigger than a cat. Did you notice the word bigger here? Why it's we double the word, the letter G? Nice, very good, because big is one syllable and it has the first letter or the first sound is consonant, then vowel, then consonant. So we have to double the last consonant. We have to double the last consonant, which is G. So B-I-double-G-E-R, bigger. An elephant is bigger than a cat. Use smaller. We would start with the smaller one. A cat is smaller than an elephant. A cat is smaller than an elephant. Okay? Again, a cat is smaller than an elephant. Okay, very good. The last one. The rabbit is faster than the turtle. Of of course, the rabbit is faster than the turtle. Okay? Use as and as adjective as. The rabbit is faster than the turtle. Of course, we will start with the slowest one, the slower one, right? The turtle. We'll start with the turtle. The turtle, pretty good, is not as fast as the rabbit. The turtle is not as fast as the rabbit. Okay? Why? Because the rabbit is faster than the turtle. So we start with the slower one. The turtle is not as fast as the rabbit. Okay? Is that clear? Okay? Thank you for watching. See you next session. Bye.